Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." One sentence, and it quietly separates the people who look rich from the people who actually are. Have you ever noticed that the calmest person in a room is usually the richest one too? Not the loudest. Not the one wearing the flashiest watch. Just the one who orders food without checking the price and never mentions their paycheck. That calm doesn't come from a big salary. It comes from something deeper, and it leaves clues behind. 10 of them. Once you learn to spot these clues, no shiny car or designer bag will ever fool you again. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. We think a big salary and real wealth are the same thing. They're not even close. A salary is the money that lands in your account. Wealth is what's left after life takes its cut. You can earn a huge income and still end up with nothing saved. And a shocking number of people live exactly like that. Multiple surveys in recent years have found that a large share of households earning well into six figures still describe themselves as living paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, an ordinary school teacher a few streets away quietly builds a seven-figure net worth on a fraction of that income. Here's the encouraging part. Most self-made millionaires in this country did not inherit their money. Research consistently shows the vast majority never received a real inheritance, and most didn't cross the $1 million mark until they were close to 50. They built it slowly, on average incomes, using quiet habits anyone can copy. The paycheck lies. Behavior tells the real story. So here are 10 signs that reveal who actually has money, no matter what car they drive or what title sits on their business card. Sign 1. Their money keeps working even while they sleep. A high-income earner trades hours for dollars, and the moment they stop working, the income stops too. Someone with real wealth has built the opposite setup, where money earns more money around the clock, whether they're at their desk or asleep. A lump sum sitting untouched in solid investments doesn't just grow a little over 20 years. It can multiply several times over without a single extra dollar added. Take a warehouse supervisor who never earned six figures. For 20 years he put every raise into simple investment funds instead of lifestyle upgrades. By his 50s, the income from those investments had quietly overtaken his salary. His coworkers assumed he was underpaid. He was financially free while still clocking in. That's the calm you feel radiating off certain people. Their money doesn't need them to show up tomorrow. Sign 2. A surprise bill is an inconvenience, not a catastrophe. Watch how someone reacts when something breaks, because that reaction tells you everything. A large share of Americans could not cover even a modest surprise expense without borrowing money. So when a real bill lands, it's not an errand, it's a disaster that drags on the budget for months, often ending up on a credit card. Someone with real wealth barely blinks, because they keep a genuine emergency fund parked in an account that actually earns interest, instead of letting it sit idle. Picture a pediatric nurse who keeps 6 months of expenses set aside. When her car needed a $2,000 repair one winter, she said it barely registered. It was just a Tuesday. Sign 3. The car in the driveway is boring on purpose. We've all been trained to read an expensive car as proof of wealth, but it's often the opposite. Car payments have climbed to record highs nationally, many well over $1,000 a month, mostly for ordinary trucks and SUVs, not luxury brands. Run the math a wealthy person runs automatically. That same monthly payment invested for 30 years instead can grow into a life-changing sum. Studies on millionaire households consistently find that most don't drive luxury brands at all. They drive a paid-off, several-year-old Toyota or Honda. Avoiding car payments is one of the habits self-made millionaires credit most for their wealth. The unremarkable car isn't a lack of taste. It's a deliberate choice that quietly funds everything else on this list. Sign 4. The credit card gets paid in full every time. This might be the single most reliable signal on the list. Most self-made millionaires say they've never carried a credit card balance in their lives. Compare that to the country as a whole, where a huge share of accounts carry a balance month to month, at interest rates north of 20%, a pattern that shows up even among high earners. A revolving balance is simply the price of spending money you don't have yet, and that price is the opposite of building wealth. Wealthy people use cards constantly for rewards and convenience. But the balance always hits zero the moment the statement arrives. Sign 5. They're comfortable being the one who says no. It looks like nothing from the outside. The friend who skips the expensive trip. The coworker who brings lunch from home without embarrassment. The person who hears about a timeshare and calmly says it's not for them. Most self-made millionaires report living on noticeably less than they earn, and protecting that gap means saying no far more often than yes. Think of a software engineer who still drives her old used car and packs lunch in a worn cooler bag while flashier coworkers tease her, and who is on track to retire a decade before any of them. People who spend to look wealthy are usually performing for an audience. People who actually have money feel no need to prove anything. Sign 6. They buy back time, not stuff. Ask someone with real wealth what their money is for, and the answer is rarely a bigger house. It's the freedom to walk away from a job they hate, or sit at their kid's game on a random weekday without worrying about the cost. Past a certain point, money stops being about buying more and starts being about removing friction and daily dread. Picture someone who spent 15 years building a small business, and the moment his investments could cover his family's core expenses, he cut back his work week to coach his daughter's team instead. You can't photograph that kind of freedom, but you can spot it in how unhurried certain people are with their own time. Sign 7. Their money has a job before it even hits their checking account. Most people save whatever's left at the end of the month, and there's almost never anything left. Wealthy people flip that order completely, automating savings and investments the moment money arrives, then living on whatever remains. Run the comparison. A median earner who consistently saves and invests a fifth of their income can end up with far more after 30 years than a high earner who only invests a small slice of a much bigger paycheck. The lower earner wins, and the only thing that changed was behavior, not income. The mechanism matters more than willpower. When the transfer happens automatically on payday, you never get the chance to talk yourself out of it. Sign 8. They own things that pay them, and avoid things that only cost them. Strip this whole list down to one idea, and this is it. An asset puts money back in your pocket over time. A liability pulls money out. The boat, the extra TV, the closet full of things that lose value the moment you buy them. That's a liability dressed up as success. An index fund, a rental unit, a stake in a business, that sends money back to you month after month. Think of a plumber who spent 20 years quietly buying small rental units in his own town instead of upgrading his lifestyle. Today the rent checks alone outpace what he ever earned holding a wrench. From the street, he looks exactly like every neighbor on his block. On paper, he's nothing like them. Sign 9. Their investing is aggressively boring. There's a persistent myth that rich people got there by picking one perfect stock or timing a brilliant trade. The real data says the opposite. In research on self-made millionaires, regular, consistent investing over a long stretch of time comes out as the top reason for their wealth, far above any single lucky bet. They bought broad, low-cost investment funds every month like clockwork, then did the hardest part of all, nothing. Through crashes and scary headlines, they stayed invested and let time compound. A steady few $100s a month, invested for 30 years, can grow into a sum many times larger than what was ever put in. Boring wins, over and over. Sign 10. They can tell you their net worth, but never their salary. Ask most people how they're doing financially, and they'll answer with their income, the raise, the number on the offer letter. Ask someone with real wealth, and they think it a completely different currency, net worth, everything they own minus everything they owe. Income is the water pouring into the tub. Net worth is what's still there after everything drains out. Picture a retired teacher who could tell you her net worth to the nearest few $1,000s without hesitating, but who'd find it strange to be asked about her old salary. In her mind, the salary was never the point, only the raw material she used to build something that lasts. So look again at that calm person at the table, the one we started with. Now you know exactly what you're looking at. Their calm isn't a lucky personality trait. It's the slow result of money that works without them, a cushion that turns emergencies into errands, a boring car, a balance that never lingers, an easy no, time bought back, savings on autopilot, assets instead of liabilities, and patience in the exact moments everyone else panics. None of it is loud, and none of it is built for an audience. That's exactly why it works. Real wealth was never the number on a paycheck. It's the gap between what comes in and what stays, and the freedom that quiet gap slowly buys back for you. And maybe that's really what Buffett meant all along. Pay yourself first, stay boring, stay patient, and let the years quietly do the rest. So here's my question for you. Out of these 10 signs, which one is missing from your own life right now? Not the one you're best at, the one you already know you're avoiding. Put it in the comments, because saying it out loud is usually the first step toward actually fixing it. And if this video made you rethink what wealth really looks like, subscribe and stay, because next week I'm breaking down the exact money habits nobody teaches in school, the ones that could save you an entire decade of learning this the hard way. Don't let this be another video you watched and forgot by tomorrow. Pick one sign from this list, just one, and start it this week. That's how every quiet millionaire on this list actually began.